2019 was an interesting year for investors. The U.S. stock market posted its best year since 2013, despite a slowing global economy and continued uncertainty surrounding global trade. So, what can we expect in 2020? Let's take a look. U.S. economic growth slowed in 2019, but the good news is that the economy is still growing 11 years after the last recession. We expect this trend to continue in 2020, with economic growth expected to be a shade under 2%. So what continues to drive our economic expansion? Well, three things. Number one, jobs. The U.S. added 266,000 jobs in November, the second highest report of the year. And that reading pushed the unemployment rate down to 3.5%, the lowest reading since 1969. Number two, wages. Coupled with our continued labor market growth has been solid wage growth. Wage growth in 2019 continued to outpace inflation, which helped buoy personal incomes and consumer spending. And lastly, U.S. corporate earnings growth is poised to accelerate in 2020 as continued progress on the U.S.-China trade war is expected to reduce the burden of tariffs. So, the U.S. economy remains on solid footing as we enter 2020, and we continue to believe that a recession in the near term is unlikely. But risks such as trade and political uncertainty remain and will continue to have our full attention. Just remember to focus on your planning and to make sure your investment portfolio is in line with your risk tolerance.